Are you tired of the hassle of organizing gadgets, running out of battery, or struggling with comfort while traveling? Don't worry, I've got your back. In today's video, I'll introduce you to 5 must-have Amazon travel gadgets that will revolutionize your trips. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a globetrotter, these gadgets are a game changer. Stay tuned till the end to find your perfect travel companion. All the links are in the description below, so let's dive in. Say goodbye to tangled cables with the FYY Travel Cable Organizer. This compact and lightweight pouch, 7.5 x 4.3 x 2.2, is your ultimate solution for organizing cords, chargers, and electronic accessories. Made from waterproof Oxford material and soft sponge inside, it ensures maximum protection for your gadgets. The double-layer design provides plenty of space for USB drives, flash drives, and cables shorter than 3 feet, keeping everything neat and accessible. With a comfortable hand strap and smooth zippers, this portable organizer is perfect for vacations or office use. At just $9.85, it's not only practical, but also an affordable gift idea for your loved ones. Ready to declutter your backpack? Meet the Wodo Portable Charger, a lifesaver for Apple Watch users. Compact yet powerful, this 1,200 milliamp hours power bank can charge your Apple Watch up to 1.5 times on the go. Its magnetic design ensures quick alignment, offering a seamless wireless charging experience. With a sleek keychain design and new indicator lights, it's perfect for travelers who prioritize style and functionality. Plus, it includes a Type-C cable for fast charging. Priced at $19.99, this lightweight gadget ensures your watch is always powered up, no matter where you are. The Mackley cup holder tray transforms your car into a mobile dining space. Adjustable and secure, it fits cup holders between 3 inches and 4.1 inches wide without leaving scratches. The 9-inch surface is perfect for meals or holding your phone with its built-in slot, letting you enjoy shows while eating. With 360 swivel capabilities and a jointed arm, it's adaptable for both driver and passenger use. Priced at $29.90, this car accessory ensures convenience and practicality for road trips, making your journey more enjoyable. Travel comfortably with the Jeff D Inflatable Travel Pillow. Designed with a 45 ergonomic angle, it reduces cervical pressure and provides superior head and neck support. Made from soft PVC flocking, it feels luxurious while being durable and easy to clean. Its 2-in-1 valve design ensures rapid inflation within 5 seconds, saving you precious time. The hollow center enhances breathability, and cutouts on the sides allow for arm relaxation. Perfect for planes, trains, or cars, this $24.99 pillow also includes a 3D eye mask, earplugs, and a drawstring bag for added convenience. Say hello to seamless global connectivity with the Travel Adapter Worldwide by Sonork, supporting over 200 countries. It's perfect for international travel. This 5-in-1 adapter features 2 USB-A and 2 Type-C ports, delivering fast charging from multiple devices simultaneously. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and fits snugly in your luggage. Safety is a priority with built-in overcurrent and overheat protection. Priced at $19.99, this gadget ensures you'll stay powered up no matter where you go. So there you have it, the 5 Amazon travel gadgets designed to make your trip smoother, more comfortable, and hassle-free. From keeping your electronics organized to staying charged and relaxed on the road, these gadgets are absolute essentials for any traveler. Check the links in the description below to grab these items today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. Let us know which gadget is your favorite in the comments.